Yo, what is guys? Welcome back to A Sneaker Gaming. Today I'm really excited to show you guys two of the most sought after sneaker releases in 2020. These two sneakers are probably one of the most expensive shoes I've ever unboxed on my YouTube channel. These two are probably one of the most expensive shoes I've owned in my room other than the Kobe 8 Jordan PEs. So without more talking, let's get started to the video. So these two sneakers were actually gifted to a lot of King Jones friends and celebrities and Jordan Brand's affiliate and Jordan Brand players and stuff like that. And then those two pairs combined to a total number of 8,500 pairs in the world. And a lot of pairs are given out to celebrities. So their last portion of the pairs are actually raffled and then given out to the public. So it's not the original like 4,700 pairs for the lows and 8,500 pairs for the highs. Those leaks / rumors were actually wrong. And then before we see the release, we saw like boxes that look like the normal Air Jordan 1 boxes. I heard those boxes are given to the celebrity. I'm not 100% sure on that, but the boxes that we are getting for general and public releases are this one. And a lot of celebrities, artists are getting boxes like this. So I don't know if the red and black box is a real pair or a fake pair. God, who knows. And then the resale prices on both pairs is just outrageous. For the lows, it's going for around 8,000 to 10,000 USD. For the highs, it's going for around 11,000 to 14,000. And then this pair retails for 2,000 or 1,800, I think. And this pair retails for 2,000 or 2,200 in the United States. However, in Taiwan, I think the lowest retails for like 78,000 NTD. That's approximately 2,600 USD. And this pair is probably 2,800 USD. I'm not sure. I think it's due to the luxury duty import taxes or whatever. Normally luxury brands like stuff like this or LVs, other brands are more expensive in Asia due to the duties and the taxes and stuff like that. But I'm not sure because I didn't get them for retail. Unfortunately, I took L's on a raffle, so I gotta pay resale. I didn't pay that much for this pair. This pair is sold already, and I still have this pair for sale. It's a size 9. I'm probably planning on to sell it for $13.50, like 13,000 to probably like 15,000. I know it's quite outrageous and it's kind of high, but I don't mind holding them. I'm still deciding whether I should sell, hold, or keep it in my personal collection. But keep it in my personal collection basically means hold, because there's no way in the damn world I'm wearing this pair on my feet. No, it's not happening. Wearing a $15,000 shoes is just not my style. It's too expensive. And then the lows, I sold it to a buyer in Indonesia already. I'm going to ship them to Malaysia. So I'll be shipping those out next week. And I have an interview with the remade coming in on Monday. So if you guys want to check it out, you guys can check out their channel. The link will be down below. And without any more talking, let's get started to the reviews and stuff like that. So as you can see, Dior is a premium luxury brand. And then they're known for their luxury price and leather and quality. So when I first received the shoes, if you're a sneakerhead, you should know like Jordan 1s has the shattered backboard quality check and stuff like that, which is tumble leather that is super soft. However, the leathers that Dior's are using isn't that soft. I think it's a premium cowskin leather, something like that. It's not the softest leather in the world, but I'm for sure they're using a really good leather from Italy or something like that. Because this pair is made in Italy, I think, or probably assembled in Italy, and different parts come from different parts of the world in the factory, probably like China and stuff like that, and then finally they assemble it together in Italy. So let's start with the outsole. So for the outsole, on the left pair, you guys can see the Air Dior translucent outsole with a big wings logo. And then on the right pair, you guys can see it says Dior. It's a big Dior. I don't know if anyone can see that, but just a cool design. And we got the baby blue translucent icy outsole. And then moving on to the midsole, I'm super impressive about it. It's a $2,000 retail shoes. You gotta expect good qualities from the Dior. I think the midsole is probably hand painted carefully by the people in the Dior Italy manufacturer or stuff like that. Because for normally when the Jordan 1 comes with the translucent outsole, there's some unfinished paint and stuff like that, and some paint leaking under the sole. But for the Dior Jordan 1, you don't see any problems with the midsole painting, and then I can barely see any glue stain on the Dior Air Jordan 1 midsole, so they have done a good job in the quality control. You guys should expect this kind of quality when you guys are paying $2,000 for a pair of shoes, or probably like $10K for the aftermarket. And then moving on to the upper, one of the most significant design you guys can see is the Dior. I don't know, it's an oversized Nike logo basically, and then it's in the jacquard fabric, which Dior has been using for over the course of the years and decades. And then I think this pattern is called Dior Oblique. That's the pattern you see on the Nike check. And then I saw like an interview, they're going after the 1985 look. I think they didn't accomplish it perfectly because the outsole definitely doesn't look like it's a 1985 outsole. It doesn't have the curve, but I like the oversized swoosh, and I like the switch up with the Air Dior logo. And then leather consists of gray and creamish white basically. And move on to the one of the most subtle features, it's on the tongue. It has Dior oblique patterns throughout the whole tongue, but it's in white, so you guys can barely see it, but I think it's a nice little attention to detail, to be honest. And then around the tongue, I think it's called the collar or something, we got a really soft lambskin. I feel like it's a lambskin, which is extremely soft. And then overall, this pair is in really high premium quality, so you guys should expect amazing QC controls. And then this is a low. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys a 360, and then for the lows, you guys got the Air Dior wings logo at the back. And then some small features are like a metallic eyelet that says Dior, and then we got the shoe tree it comes with a plastic shoe tree, which is not bad. It's actually an upgrade from the cardboard shoe tree that we used to get from Jordan 1s, but however, I think they should create it in a wooden shoe tree or stuff like that, with like premium Air Force One that releases a while ago, with like those Nike released those premium Air Force packs with crazy wooden shoe trees, or like Jordan 2 bins. I think those have the crazy wooden shoe trees as well. And then my pair for the highs is number 6003 out of 8,500 pairs, and then my pair for the low is number 243. And then for the insole, it says Dior. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, and it has a Jumpman logo as well. Let's move on to the small accessories that they provided in the box, which is right here. It's an Air Dior box. Let's open it up. This is magnet, by the way. So we got the wrapping paper that says Dior throughout the whole thing, and then for the accessories we got the, let me just put this down so you guys can see it in a better view. So we got the cream and white laces. Those are the laces that they provided, and the laces that's on the shoes are actually in wax laces. And then we got two special hang tags, or pins I should say. So for this one we got the Air Jordan logo, and then let me bring out the wings logo. I don't know where it went. Okay, it's right here. So this is the Jordan wings logo. No, it's Air Dior wings logo. So it comes with 3 small accessories, and then one of the best thing I think they provided is the Dior oblique pattern insole, the leather insole. It's super premium. I just love the patterns and stuff like that. I think it's called, this is embossed on the shoes. And then let me show you guys a close up on at the back of the insole. On the back of the insole, you guys can use this for legit check references. Just pay close attention to the numbers and the font style. What else I didn't mention? So the high top boxes is actually a lot bigger. So this is the high top version, and then this is the low top version. So it comes in 2 different sizes. As you can see, the low top is slightly smaller than the high tops. And then if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It really means a lot. If you put a like, actually change the YouTube algorithm, and you guys can see more videos like this. And then if you guys like my video, just hit the subscribe, hit the like button. That's really important, and hit the notification bell. If you hit the like button and subscribe, you guys will win shoes like this in the future. I promise you guys. And then I got this bag that says Air Dior. This one is in gray, And then let me show you guys. It has the strap right here. Just pull these out. This is Christian Dior strap. And for the inner lining, it comes with the, I think it's a silk finish. So it has the silk Dior oblique patterns. I think this component you can put your cell phones and other daily accessories. And then for this portion, you got a big pocket right here with 4 card holders and a one slim slot right here at the back. I don't know if there's a lot of resale value for this bag, but I definitely know there's a lot of resale values for the shoes. Let's talk about the resale predictions in the future. For the lows, it's sitting around 9K to 10. I think those will drop in the future to probably 8K in my opinion, because I don't see that much demand for the lows. And then on the other hand, for the highs, they're going for around 12K average. I think it might drop in the 3 month or so if there's less demand, because this is not an average person shoe. A shoe that resells for that much is just outrageous. So if a person has a big capital, I saw a lot of people are holding pairs already with their big capital, so they probably will hold it and control the market in the future. But I think these will probably go up in the near future, because this is probably one of the most iconic shoes that's released. We can't say it's iconic, but it will be iconic for sure in the future. It's like the Air Yeezys. They weren't that expensive back in like 5 years ago and stuff like that. Right now, the Red Octobers are going for around 13K, which is outrageous. They were going for around 5K back in the days. And then we got the Platinum, the used pairs are going for around like 2K, 2.5 and if back in the days. And then right now, currently, their used pairs are going for like 4K to 5K. So shoes is like an investment in slowly goes up in the future. And for pairs like this, 8,500 pairs, I think they will definitely go up in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this, if you make it this far, please drop a like and subscribe and share it to your friend. And then subscribe for more content just like this. And I'll see you guys in the near future. Peace. Stay blessed.